Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Monica Anggunda Langitan. I'm from class 2 Management Business 1. Okay, now I will storytelling about Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Once upon a time lived a beautiful princess named Rose. She has long wavy and shiny golden black hair. She was named respectfully as the loved and adores the rose. She had one glowing golden bird who will visit her in the evenings. The princess and the golden bird will sing mesmerizing song, where all people in the kingdom peacefully sleep with sweet dreams. The bird will begin making the sound saying the beautiful hair on the princess, and she will join with the bird. Both of them used to sing lullaby to make people sleep and keep singing the lullaby until sunrise. While people live peacefully, a witch could come to know about the golden bird and the hair color of the Princess Rose. She curses the princess and her hair turned ugly back. As usual, the bird started singing the black hair of the princess, and she continued. While people fell asleep, none of them had sweet dreams. Rather, there were trouble and fearful. Princess heard about the nightmare dreams and was so worried. She asked the golden bird what she should do to turn her hair red. The bird asked her to dip her hair in rose water, and she did. The hair turned beautiful red with the usual glow. Everyone fell asleep hearing the lullaby and had sweet dreams. Knowing this, the witch cursed again and removed all rose flower and petals from the kingdom. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my storytelling about Princess Rose and Golden Bird is finished. Thank you.